Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have SodaStream and Pepsi collaboration. The great taste, just add bubbles. So this is like a sample pack. It comes with Pepsi and 7up. It's a syrup that you put for your SodaStream machine and you can make the drink by yourself in home. That's pretty cool. So it comes with 7up free, normal 7up, and Pepsi Max. Let's try the original flavors first, and maybe the max sugar-free versions later. So 7up first. Cut it open and you just pour it in. See, it's just transparent liquid here. Oh, it's dripping. This one is Pepsi color, as expected. Really dark and really thick. Okay, I don't have the machine, but I have just the bubble water here. Pirkka bubble water. The best bubble water in Finland. So you put 2 deciliters of this bubbles here. This cup is around 2 deciliters, I think. Oh, look at that. Homemade Pepsi and homemade 7up. Okay, let's give it a try. Homemade Pepsi. It actually smells like real Pepsi. Okay, here we go. It's just like the real Pepsi. How is this possible? It's not so bubbly because I think this bubble water that I had doesn't have so much carbonation. It's really good. If you have the machine, you can put as much bubbles as you want. Yeah, I think I should have bought the extra bubbly one, extra carbonated one, because it would have fit better with this one. But still, even with a little bit less bubbles, this one is like just like the actual Pepsi. It's like 10 out of 10, definitely. Really good, like. Let's try the 7up. Same thing with this one, like just like the actual 7up. I think having this machine at your home is really convenient because you just put tap water, you put bubbles in the tap water, then you put this concentrate thing, and you save so much money. And also, like, you don't have to carry the heavy bottles from a shop to home. It also saves the CO2 a lot. Like, it's really environmental friendly if you do it that way. Like, imagine they have to like send the concentrate and the syrup to the factory, and then they bottle the Coca-Colas and Pepsis, and it's super heavy. They have to carry it with trucks and stuff. But if you just buy this concentrate, it's like 20 times less space, and you skip the whole part of it going to the factory, the bottling factory, straight to your home, the syrup. So you just put tap water and you save the environment. Really good. Very nice. It tastes just like Pepsi Max. Like, no sugar, full flavor. This Pepsi Max is the most popular drink in Finland. It even beats the Coca-Cola by far, like. It's not even close. Everybody drinks Pepsi Max here. This is really good. Yeah, this has been a review of SodaStream and Pepsi collaboration. Highly recommend buying this concentrate syrup if you have the machine at your house. Even without the machine you can make it with just the bubble water, like this. But make sure to buy the fully highly carbonated bubble water. This was just normal, like mild carbonate, so it's not as bubbly as the real Pepsi should be. Definitely 10 out of 10. Not only the flavor, but also the environmental thing is good. Like this saves the environment. You can enjoy Pepsi and other good drinks at home, and you reduce the CO2 like really a lot. Yeah, thank you Pepsi and SodaStream, and thanks for watching this review. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next time. Thank you for watching.